another Thoughts on Tech video.
This time comparing the battery life on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and on its predecessor the Hero 7 Black. Both cameras are recording in 4K 30 frames per second in wide field of view. The electronic image stabilization is turned on both devices. On the Hero 8 it is set to high, because that is the comparable setting to the Hypersmooth on the Hero 7. As you can see, the Hero 8 was able to record for approximately 1 hour and 4 minutes with one battery charge. The GoPro Hero 7 Black kept recording and was able to reach 1 hour and 17 minutes. Apparently the new model is less energy efficient and able to record less time on one single charge.